Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 3 of exercise 7.2 class 9th Maths NCERT book, chapter number 7, triangles. So in this question, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABC is a triangle, you can see here. It is an isosceles triangle. It means two sides of these triangles are going to be equal, in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. So AC and AB are the sides which are given equal to each other in this triangle, and BE and CF are altitude. It means they will be forming 90-degree angle on the respective side. Show that these altitudes are equal. We have to show BE and CF equal. So this was given to us. Now to prove, we have to prove BE equals to CF. Since we are in the congruency, we are going to take any two triangles in which BE and CF are falling. If we prove them congruent, we can say that their corresponding parts are also equal, right? That is what we do in these questions. So to start with the proving, we will take two triangles in which BE and CF are falling. Let us find that. So I can see here ABE, triangle ABE is a triangle in which BE is coming, and triangle ACF is another triangle in which CF is coming, right? Let us try to prove them congruent. So the first thing I can see here, which is common in between, is sides AB equals to AC, which is given. Another thing which is common in between is angle A, which is common to both of the triangles. You can see here ACF, A is coming, ABE, angle A is coming. So angle A is common angle, here common angle. Okay. Another thing which is common in between is, you can see here, this was an altitude. So we have angle BEA in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, this one, I'll form a line over it. Then you can see here, this is the triangle ABE, and this angle AEB or BEA, you can say, is of 90 degree, right? Let me erase this. And another angle from triangle ACF is angle AFC, and here angle AEB. So AFC and AEB are the two angles which are common from triangles ABE and ACF. You can make this figure in your notebook and then try to find out the triangles ABE and ACF, then mark angle AFC, AEB. You will find that both of them are equal to 90 degree, because this angle was of 90 degree. 180 minus this 90 degree will give you this angle AEB, right? And that's how we have these two angles also equals to 90 degree. So angle AEB from triangle ABE and angle AFC. It is not KFC, it is AFC. So these are both equal to 90 degree. Here we have the reason as BE and CF are altitudes. Right? So they are forming 90 degree angle. Hence we have what? This angle, and one side, right? Which is giving us AAS congruency, right? So by AAS congruency, we can say triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Hence these two parts BE and CF, which are the parts of these two triangles, and by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say BE is equals to CF. Hence proved. I hope everybody understood. So if you have understood the solution, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. If you have any query regarding this question or any another question to ask, please comment me in the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye bye.